Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to update apps on iPhone. First of all, tap on the App Store on your iPhone and tap on the profile icon of the top right corner. Little bit scroll up and you can see appears on screen update all. Tap on update all and wait 5 to 10 seconds. If you want to update some apps, simply selected apps and update your apps. If you want to update all apps, simply tap on the update all apps and update your apps on iPhone. You can see that's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to update apps on iPhone without computer, without any third-party software. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more informative tech videos. Thanks for watching.